What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala. Huge pullback for the altcoins, currently sitting at 0.031. We're down 21% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.14 billion, 24-hour volume 483 million. So if we hop into the chart, obviously we had to adjust the wave count with the deep pullback. So you'd have to look at this as a 5-wave move. Now you need to bounce from the zone of in between 0.02485 and 0.033. If we start to break 0.02485, it decreases the likelihood of a wave 2. A wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but it does increase the likelihood of breaking that low if that level is broken. But the invalidation point is 0.013. So if that were to happen and we end up invalidating, as you can see, we're coming back to the weekly EMAs. So if we lose them, then all of this was still corrective. We come down, we create a lower low, probably into the 1 cent range before it bounced back to the upside. Of course, anything is possible, but as of right now, you'd be looking for a bounce from this range. As the whales continue to accumulate, this is what they do, guys. They dump the prices, everybody gets scared, and that's when they buy. So if you still have extra capital to DCA, not financial advice, but this is when the smart money continues to enter into their positions. I'm just going to quickly open up Bitcoin quickly to show you guys what I'm looking at. So I do think Bitcoin could potentially put in an ABC, come down to 89K, even 83K. And if that does happen, of course, that opens up the door for Gala to come lower. But if Gala were to see a nice bounce back to the upside off Bitcoin bouncing, then you could see that continuation. But your main level that you want to see hold is 0.02485. If that breaks, it increases the likelihood of breaking that low. If not, we see a nice bounce back to the upside, then it's a nice wave to pull back before continuation. But if that low is broken, and especially if you come all the way down and break 0.013, then you have to expect us to come down and create a lower low before bouncing back to the upside. But as of right now, looks like a deep pullback to me. We'll see how Bitcoin recovers. If we push from here, then obviously the alts will follow. But also Bitcoin dominance has been rising. Even with Bitcoin falling, money has been flowing back into BTC, as you can see, and that's why the alts are bleeding so hard. It's part of the game, guys. If you can't take it, then don't play. You see massive pumps and you see nasty corrections. That's the bull market. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. This will take 30 seconds of your time. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in the US and Canada. Take the 30 seconds, sign up, send me email, completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long, completely for free. Lots of value here, guys. Just sign into BITUNIX, send me email, takes 30 seconds of your time, and I'll give you access for life. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.